All right, getting ready to push over a month's worth of updates I'm not going to use main branch. I think I'm going to get rid of main branch actually. I'm going to create a dev branch that I'll do dev on, and then dev will be copied to whatever the release branch is, and then we'll do a release branch. Or maybe that will be main branch or something. I don't know. That's pretty cool. Sun is coming into a few windows that I have, and it's hitting me. It's jiving with the background there. All right, well, let's see if I can get through this. We've dropped our demo user, so we're going to open. We're going to go to our main root K2 folder you would get off of GitLab. We're going to open the user and the grants file. I've already modified these. These won't be this way. So we have we had a user demo, and we're going to create this user, and we're going to set the password here. And we want to do this as an admin. So that should run. That was pretty painless. We might have to change the quota there. Both of those work on Oracle Cloud. Wow, this is ducking. Only a few minutes, right? And then you're going to see the thing like on Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh, my green screen is showing. Okay, so then we go to grants, and we want to make sure that's the demo user, and we're going to hit F5, and we're going to run this as admin once again. So this is creating our user, giving us our grants. If you K2 stat grants, hey, yep, we deleted that one. So we'll I'm gonna go remove that reference right now. Right now, we're gonna get rid of that and fix this. Where is that? That is that in? What file was that in? That is in K2 stat grants. So we're gonna go in. Sorry, just clean up while we're here. K2 stat grants is gone. I've deleted that file. Got rid of that. I'm not going to do that right now. You can, if you want to collect Oracle metrics, it's easy to do. You can create the and okay, let's find that. Let's just go right up here, find in folder. Love Sublime, by the way. There it is. Get rid of that. That doesn't need to be there. Okay, go back. So anyway, everything else is okay. Some of these errors are totally normal. Okay, at this point you have your user created. Now we're going to go File, Open, and a lot of times what I would do is run git bash, and create an app. So we'd say we want to go to CD Dropbox, and nope, CDC. Is this how we do it? No. Is it that? CDC? CDC colon? Yes, there we go. CD Dropbox, CD Shared, CDK2. Okay, and then here we would have the shell script to create an app. /create app.shell, and look, all you need to do is put your app name. So let's do, just to show you this, I'm not gonna, well, we'll do it this way. Create app.shell, my demo, and it does its little thing, which is mainly to create a folder called my demo. Config has a my demo. This is all copied from the default folder, and now our install has a my demo, and we can do my demo install. So let's go do that. So we'll go to File, Open, and we'll go to Install, my demo, and my demo install. And we're going to run F5, and we're going to run this as demo. Now this should run without errors. It did. I did get through it once, I think, without errors, fixed everything. And so this is what I do before I kind of make this a release. I go through the fresh install and make sure it can install on its own. So we're at 5 minutes, but you could do this in a few minutes. And then you're ready to start developing. And there's all kinds of cool stuff. Of course, it's kind of like this background. It takes some time to discover and understand all the stuff, and every framework kind of has. You got to learn all that to get good at any framework. That's why we all build our own, right? Because I understand this and you don't, and then you build one and you understand it and I don't understand yours. I'm hoping we get lots of people working on this someday. Lots of people within the Oracle community is usually not lots of people. We're still a fairly small community compared to the JavaScript full stack world, which is hundreds of thousands, at least, developers. In the Oracle world, we kind of all still know each other at some level. So hey, no errors. That worked. K2 is installed. That's how you do a K2 install. And then you're ready to go to work. What I would do next is I would begin with my config. I would go to my demo. I would walk through these config files, get everything configured the way I want it, at least for now, and then I would rerun that full install script. Then I would go into the app folder. I would go to my demo, and I will probably start building some code in my app package, my schema. And so as I work on apps, these other apps I'm working on, like Chart Density, this is what I'm doing. And then compiling things. And then when I have need, I'm like, hey, it's time to stop and do something with ChatGPT, we add a ChatGPT module. The file structure is very much the same. I didn't install ChatGPT. Let's install ChatGPT. Let's install ChatGPT to show you how that's done. So we'll go up here, and we're just going to go to our lib folder. Now, ArcSQL and K2 are the two things, and SAS auth. Those are the things that get installed when you install K2. If you want Google Charts or ChatGPT, if you want to play with Gumroad, Stripe, you got to do that like I'm doing it. Now what I'll do is add an install file. I have an install file in I can show you. I've got that. If you look in my Chart Density install file, we go down, you can see I'm installing the Google Charts and the ChatGPT right here. So when I do an app install for my app, I get any code changes there I get. So let's go to ChatGPT. Now I haven't actually tried this recently, so let's try this. Yeah, we're gonna demo, and that worked. So I could go to, should we show ChatGPT? Should we create an image? Let's create an image. Let me show you this. Let's see. Where we got a demo? Do we have a demo? Pull up a demo. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to execute chat GPT. Oh, you know what? My token is not correct, and I'm not going to do that on screen. So my API token, unfortunately, is not in the schema because it's secret, and I don't have it set up, so this wouldn't work. But I could literally just make a say image call and then do p prompt and say apples stuffed in a banana or something like that, and run it. And then I would do a select star from ChatGPT images, I think, and it would show me the file name that I could go get, or it's got a blob column right now. It's going to be conditional, optional, but it does put the data right there. So that's it. So that's how easy it is. Once you have K2, there's just a lot of things like this that you can do. And the whole idea here is to make app development faster. How am I going to use ChatGPT? Well, in Chart Density, I'm grabbing right now, I am collecting the Oracle metrics. So we're going to let ChatGPT define a definition for every single sysstat. There's like 2,000 of them. And I'm going to do that automatically, and I'm going to have it produce a JSON that I store in a file, And that file will go into K2 someplace. It'll be an asset that I use, but it'll be available to you too if you want to use that. So that's pretty cool. All right, that's all I've got, and back to work. Later.